One of these prints took almost twice as long to make as another. Same printer, same PLA, same nozzle, same temperature. The only thing I changed was the layer height. Before I tell you which is which, pick your favorite. Seriously, see if you can guess the smoothest one. Lower layer heights are supposed to give better looking prints, but they also take a lot longer. So I wanted to find out where the extra print time stops being worth it. I printed the exact same model 3 times. Everything stayed exactly the same, except the layer height. 0.28, 0.2, and 0.12 millimeters. The printer is a Sovol SV08 running the same PLA with identical temperatures and speeds for every print. Now comes the interesting part. Looking at them from a normal viewing distance, I was honestly surprised. They're much harder to tell apart than I expected, but once you move in close, the differences start to appear. This is 0.28 millimeters. It's the fastest print, layer lines are definitely visible, but from across the room, it still looks pretty good. Next is 0.2 millimeters. This is where things start getting interesting. The layer lines are becoming noticeably smaller, but the print time doesn't increase dramatically. Finally, 0.12 millimeters. This one took the longest. Up close, it does look the cleanest, but from normal viewing distance, the difference is surprisingly subtle. When you compare them directly, the improvements are obvious, but if someone handed you just one of these prints, would you really know what layer height it was printed at? Probably not. Here's where I'd land. If I wanted the fastest print, I'd choose 0.28. For everyday printing, 0.2. It gives the most visual improvement without a huge increase in time. If I wanted a display piece, I'd step it down to 0.12. Personally, I don't think there's enough gains to justify the extra time for most prints. So, did you guess correctly? Let me know which one you picked before the reveal. And if there's another setting you've always wondered about, leave it in the comments. I might test it out next.